Hi friends, my name is Sandeep and today I am going to discuss about how to plan a building and it's a carpet as per the minimum area requirement and the standard height. So for while planning a project or a building, you should you should have a knowledge about the minimum area for different rooms, lobbies, living bedrooms, servant room, box office, and etc. So let's start and I'll tell you the standard carpet or the size of rooms, different rooms, and the as well as ordinary sizes and carpet of the room. So first, residential building. So for different type of residential buildings, different and it is also depend on class of people, number of people, and the accommodation and the lifestyle of a society of or a person. So for residential project, the minimum livable area should be 50 to 60% of clean area, and then circulation should be minimum as depending on the condition of climate. So for residential buildings, they the planning we have to conclude drawing room, dining room, bathroom, office room, guest room, kitchen, store, pantry, dressing, and bathroom, etc. So let's discuss. So as you can see here, the following the standard sizes of different type of rooms. So first one is drawing room. It should be 4.2 meter by 4.8 meter, or it should be higher 5.5 into 7.2. Dining room 4.2 meter into 4.88 meter, or it should be 4.8 meter into 6 meter. Bedroom standard size of bedroom is 4.2 meter to 4.8 meter. Office room 3 meters by 3.6 meter. Kitchen 3 meter by 3 meter. Store 3 meter by 3 meter. Pantry 2.5 meter by 3 meter. Dressing room 2.5 meter to 3 meter, and bath including WC 1.8 meter into 2.5 meter. Box room 2.5 to 3 meter. Servant room 3 meter by 3 meter. So these are our standard measurement, and and these are taken in a meter. So for planning a building, you must know or keep this dimension in your mind. And another is ordinary type. For ordinary type or a single story or two story building in rural areas, you must keep these dimensions in your mind. Drawing room should be 4.2 meter into 8 meter. Dining room combined drawing and dining. Bedroom 3 meter by 4.2 meter. Kitchen 2 meter 2.5 meter by 3 meter. store 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter, bathroom including WC 1.8 meter by 1.8, bath 1.2 meter into 1.8 meter, latrine 1.2 meter into 1.2 meter, veranda 1.8 into 2.5 meter. So keep this dimension in your mind while planning or drawing a plan for a building. So and third one is the minimum requirement of carpet for a building, for a family or a residence. So these are the minimum standard size of room. The room or the flat or bungalow should not have minimum from these values, so keep it in mind while planning. So living room is living room should be 10 square meter or 100 square feet, and its width should be 2.9 2.7 meter, and kitchen minimum area required for kitchen is 6 square meter or 60 square feet. For bathroom minimum area is 2.2 square meter or 20 square feet. Latrine should be 1.6 square meter or 16 square feet. Bathroom and WC combined 3.6 square meter or 336 square feet. Servant room should be 10 square meter or 100 square feet, and garage should be 2.5 into 4.8 meter. And the standard height of a building of a building's floor to floor is a maximum 3.3 meter and the minimum 2.7 meter. It's depend on the habitation. So as you can see here, there are the some few minimum building heights required for different areas. So friends, and last and final one is minimum height of plane for a building is required minimum 0.6 meter depth, and the minimum depth of foundation should be 0.9 meter. It is the minimum value, and we should during planning or designing any plan or a structure. So friends, it's all about planning and the minimum requirement and the standard areas. So please like, subscribe and share us, and also press bell icon for new and latest update. Thank you for watching us, Civil Engineers Talk.